say hi.
Hi guys. Look at my toy.
Wow, look at his toys. Let's go. What's up, Madlang peeps? Punta kami ng IKEA today kasi maghanap kami ng couch. Chair, couch, last couch, whatever. Basta upuan siya. Hinahanapin namin today at IKEA, and then like a coffee table for my studio. Wink wink. My podcast studio. So let's go. Let's spend some money today. Tulog. Oh, hi Emil. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go find some couch and coffee table. Let's go. Nasaan kaya yun? Hindi siya full-on couch. Hindi yung mga ganito yung nahanap namin. Yung mostly ganito. Yung maliliit na couch na ganito. Yan, ganyan. Yun, maganda yung blue eh. Kaso maganda din yung presyo niya. $549. This one is $499. Yung isa na yun, $549. Mahal dito, men. Ito, yun yung mga hinahanap ko. Ito, yung mga simple lang na to. Ganyan. Ito, $199. Ito. Ito, parehas to, di ba? Ayan, pagka may kausap ako, ayan. Ayan, ang comfortable, babe. Try mo. Di ba? Comfortable siya. Ito din, ang ganda, oh. Yeah, mas comfortable tong isa na to. I wanna try this one too. Ano, mag-aana pa ba? Or we're dead set on this? Ganun tayo mag-decide eh, mabilis eh. Yeah, ang ganda to, man. I like it. Pagka may kausap ka, ang ganda oh. Tingnan natin yung isa na to. Tingnan natin to. Malambot, maganda din siya. Pero mas gusto ko talaga tong isa. We need 2 of these. 2 or 3?
Wala.
So we found what we're looking for. Nakita na naman ni Loco tong tent na pinaglaruan namin dati. Oh, he's gonna go inside. Bye! Hi! Bye, Emo! May mga taong pupunta dito. Come here. Come on. So we're good. We found what we want. We're good to go, my friend. That's it. Yan lang mabilis dapat mag-shopping. Good night, Emil. Si Emil na nag-shopping. Oh my God. The purple boy. Hi, Emil. What are you doing?
I'm sitting down.
You sitting down? So I guess we have to hanapin yung chair na gusto namin. Let's go, Emil. Naglaro pa siya. Go. Wow. Wow. Naglaro na po siya. Woo! Okay, I'll push you, okay?
No, I want to be.
Okay. Alin dyan, my friend? That's the one? Got our chair. Ayaw ni Emil magpasakay ng box.
Daddy, I wanted box.
Ang kailangan na lang namin is yung side table, and then we're good to go. Let's go pay for this. All done and paid. Let's go. Guys, I got everything dito sa basement natin. Ito na yung mga nabili ko. Iniisip ko kung o-open ko na siya or mamaya na kasi I have a lead to visit at 1 and it's almost 12:30. Let's just open it and see what it looks like. ASMR. There we go. So there's a couple of tools we need. So ito, pwede natin simulan. It should look like this. Almost done. Paa na lang ang kulang. Which one goes to the back and which one goes to the front? Isang paa lang kaya kong ikabit. I'm gonna be running late if tatapusin ko to. So, we shall continue this. Guys, I'm back! And meron na akong tool para mapabilis yung trabaho natin. Sabi nga nila, work smart, not hard. Let's see. Yes, found one. Let's go. Moment of truth, guys. Oh my God. So comfy. When you're talking to somebody with dito. What's up? How are you? Meron pa tayo isang i-install. Another ASMR. Okay, let's test this thing. Oh yeah, let's go. There you go. There you go. Boom. How does this look, guys? How does that look? Looks good or no? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Give me a comment. What do you guys think? Have this set up. I'll have my guests over here. Or I'll be here. Doesn't matter. Somebody will be sitting here for sure. Okay guys, last thing to do is itong side table natin. Let's see kung paano natin ito ma-install. So this one goes here. There you go. Boom. Lagyan na natin ito isa dito sa bottom. There you go. How about the top? And there's adhesive here. Could also put this here. There we go. Para hindi siya gumalaw. Side table is complete. Uy! There you go. Obviously, hindi yan dyan. Napakita ko lang sa inyo. My back is tired. I think we could put that here. We could put this here. Done. Right there. I'm ready. Who's gonna be my first guest? You'll find out. My new guest. Let's go.